probably nothing. But what if it's not? How long has she had my wife mention this? Should we have gone sooner? When did she see the doctor? What if it's something serious?
When something's off with your child, you feel it. Fisher-Titus Pediatrics has the area's largest network of specialized providers, right here, close to home. Your instinct, our expertise. Fisher-Titus.